How to fix GCash no internet connection problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix GCash no internet connection error. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, ensure that your application has the required permission. So to check that, navigate to the GCash application in your mobile device, and then you have to tap and hold on it, head towards the app info page. On the app info page, tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the necessary permissions required for the application. Tap on each one of them and then tap on allow. And make sure to allow all of these permissions to the GCash application. Now once you have done that, go back and check now if the GCash will work properly or not. If still not, again navigate to the app info page of GCash. Here tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Once you do that, reopen the application and check for the issue. If that still does not help you, then restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary application or network issue, so you can restart your device and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If not, then uninstall the GCash application from your device. Again, reinstall it from the Google Play Store, log in back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then use another device if possible. Then you can try to log in into your GCash account from the other device using the same phone number to check if it's a device specific issue. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.